Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring a 1963 Ford Thunderbird Sports Roadster. This Thunderbird is finished in Rangoon Red over Pearl Beige Metallic vinyl. It has 79 miles on the odometer and a 390 cubic inch V8 engine. This is a spectacularly restored 1963 Ford Thunderbird. It has been beautifully refinished in true Concours fashion and original factory code colors. No expense was spared and no detail overlooked during a comprehensive rotisserie restoration to factory and Concours specifications by the owner and Vintage Thunderbird Club International technical editor, Jim Wulf, who is recognized as one of the country's foremost Thunderbird restorers for the 1963 year. Great detail and care went into the restoration of this vintage gem, including hundreds of hours of research that were dedicated to ensuring that every aspect of the restoration was absolutely factory correct. In fact, much of that research is being incorporated into the new forthcoming edition of the V.T.C.I Official Factory Specifications Manual, currently being assembled by renowned Thunderbird expert Alan Tast. As a result, this particular M-Code Sports Roadster is the gold standard by which all other 1963 Thunderbirds will be judged in the future. In the distinguished 42-year history of the Vintage Thunderbird Club International Concours, there have been only 4 Thunderbirds to have earned a perfect 300-point score, 2 of which are 1963 M-Code Sports Roadsters previously restored by Jim Wulf. Now, having proved itself without exception, this remarkable Thunderbird is ready to be proudly shown on the Concours show circuit by its new owner. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.